Good morning, friends. Now, you must have seen in my earlier videos and all the press releases in the last few days or since the budget of 2021. From 1st July 2021, Section 206 AB will be in place. Now, what exactly is Section 206 AB and 206 AC? 206 AB deals with TDS provisions in case the payee, a deductee, that is the person to whom the amount is to be paid, will face deduction of twice the specified rate or 5%, whichever is higher, in case the payee has not filed ITRs for the past two preceding assessment year, that is in the preceding two previous years, or if his TDS deductible is 50,000 and more in the preceding two assessment years, that is preceding to previous years. In case of 206 AC, the TCS rate, that is, it is applicable for the seller in case the purchaser has not filed his ITRs for the last two previous years or last two assessment years, then double the specified rate or 5%, whichever is higher. Now, this is a very surprising and highly rated section. Why? Because the TCS is 0.1%. So if you have not filed your ITRs for the last 2 years and your TCS amount is 50,000 or more, then 5% will be the TCS rate that will be deducted. Once this is done by the deductor, then the recipients will be in trouble from the income tax department. This is one part which was discussed and brought to here. Now, how does the deductor under section 200 AB or section 206 AC decide how much rate is to be deducted, whether normal specified rate or double the rate? How does he know if the purchaser doesn't tell him, or he tells him, हाँ sir मैंने एक undertaking दे दिया, which was in my previous video as well, the undertaking format, तो return भर दिया and all these things. So now CBDT yesterday has made a very good circular and well made functionality check in the income tax portals. Now, compliance check for section 206 AB and 206 AC is the heading of this sub portal in your income tax e-filing site, that is in the new income tax site which was launched on 7th June. Now, deductors will be able to put in the PAN of the deductee and see whether he has filed the return for the last 2 years or not, and accordingly take a decision as to what rate of TDS is to be deducted. Now, the deductor will make his business and decision easy by going in for this new feature in the e-filing site of income tax. This is a very good facility launched by CBDT yesterday. You can Google check and check in the income tax portal. So compliance check as per section 206 AB and 206 AC has been launched by CBDT and Ministry of Finance yesterday, in which the deductor can check whether ITRs have been filed in the previous 2 years pertaining to the deductee, that is for the person on whose amount the deductor is deducting TDS. If not, then he will deduct twice the TDS and report it if he gets the PAN number. So everybody has got a PAN these days, right? Once they attain adulthood. So this is not going to be a problem because सबके बैंक अकाउंट है, बैंक अकाउंट में PAN है. पैन नहीं है तो TCS वैसे भी 5% कटना है, तो that is a compliance check. So this is a new feature launched by CBDT, so entire confusion goes away. Now the deductor can independently take a decision. Now this compliance check has got a list of PAN based on the filings and PAN details available for financial year 2018-19 and financial year 2019-20. Based on all the PAN allotted to all the citizens of the country, a detailed list along with PAN, which can be cross-referred easily online by putting the PAN card or PAN number, that is your permanent account number, on the compliance portal. That is the new facility launched by CBDT yesterday. As per this, the deductor can check one PAN, or if he has got 10,000 vendors, 5,000 vendors, so he can go in for the bulk check option also, which has been provided in the compliance portal. So take a note of it. All those persons not filing ITR, buckle up, because the income tax is going to match your performance from your PAN allotted, and the list has already been updated in the compliance portal, and from 1st July section 206 AB and 206 AC are applicable. So buckle up, dear clients, associates, citizens, and start filing your ITRs for the financial year 2021 at least. Have a nice day and a nice week.